is rising, and I've been cold for so long. One touch and we're...
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is another quick ponytail tutorial. Let's get started. I'm parting my hair in the middle for a middle part. Then I'm going to apply this black Eco Styler gel to help slick my hair down. My hair is a little stretched, so I'm not going to use a lot of gel like the last time. I'm just, going to apply a little gel on my hair. I do not really like too much gel on my hair, but I need a little more gel to help me slick my short hair down. Now I'm trying to lay my edges. I do not have a particular way of laying my edges. I'm still trying to understand my hairline. Sometimes I get a very lovely edge style. Sometimes I just mess it up. And when that happens, I'll just leave it alone because I do not want to force the edges. Next, I'm going to tie my hair down and leave it for 10 minutes. Because I did not use too much gel, my hair dried pretty fast. I'm going to be using this expression twisted up springy afro twist hair. That was a twisting tongue. Like I said, it's a quick hairstyle, so I'm just going to attach a headband on the hair and tie it on my hair. That's it. This hair is 3-in-1, as you can see. I used 2 of it. I'm just going to use some bobby pins to secure it and shape it. Don't worry, you're not going to see my hair peeking through this ponytail. This hair is going to cover everything. I'll show you that. When you're doing this method for your ponytail, make sure your hair is covered. You do not want your hair to be peeking through the ponytail. That's not cute. That's not cute. Okay, so I have 2 reasons why I'm doing this method. 1, because I wanted the length. 2, because I wanted to use this hair accessories that I made, which you're going to see in this video. This head beads was so easy to make. I used beading needles to insert the beads in the string. I tied the bottom securely before inserting the beads, and I tied it after filling in the beads. And I also attached the beads to a bobby pin to enable me attach it to my hair. When I finished making the beads, I realized it was longer than the ponytail, so I tied it up and it became another style. So here I'm just showing you this lovely ear cuffs. I'm a little extra, I know. But the ear cuffs and the ponytail beads, I'm not going to wear it together when I'm going out. It's either I'm wearing the ear cuffs or I'm wearing the ponytail beads. It's just an accessory, so yeah, that's what I think. Is your hair is an accessory, so to whatever you like. I love hairbands and I have so many of them. I'm not kidding. So here is another look with a hairband. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be doing more of hair videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends and family. Give this video a thumbs up if you think I inspired you today. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.